Hey, what's up, you guys? So today we're just going to jump straight into the video. So this video is all about how I take down my lock sprinkles as well as install them. So right now, as you can see, I am taking them down. These are my clear ones. These are called glass beads. You can pick them up from Walmart or like your crafting store, but I got mine from Walmart. Yeah, so I just use an eyebrow razor. I kind of like tug at my lock a little. I'm sorry, not my lock, but my bead a little bit, just to kind of pull it away from my hair, see where I can find a string. And I just like lightly saw at it. Now I can say, if you do have beads, or if you're just using an eyebrow razor, period, and you're using it like up against your hand or like your fingers, please be careful because I did kind of like slice one of my fingers, not a hard slice, like paper cut slice, and we all know paper cuts are the worst cuts. So yeah, be careful when you are taking them down or when you're just using an eyebrow razor or just a razor, period. This is how my locks look without the sprinkles. You wanna know what's weird? Like, let me scoot y'all back. You wanna know what's weird? Like, I don't know. I don't want to say like they feel lighter. Like they just feel like different. I don't know. Like they feel different. But I can definitely tell. Oh, I missed one. I can definitely tell that they aren't there. And I feel weird. Like I don't know. Like I just feel weird without them. It's almost like having like your locks decorated, and then you go to like take your locks down. That's how I feel. But most of my the majority of my iridescent ones off camera, and then like when I get to the front part that I can really see, I will do those on camera. This piece of thread is shorter. I'm sorry, I'm just really trying to like thread this. Oh my god, this is so hard. Okay, so since this piece of thread, the focus is shorter, it's easier for me to do it. That's why I could cut like such a longer piece for the front part, because I'm sorry, like a longer piece. I thought it was gonna be like further back. So let me see. I don't know if you can really see, like this isn't that long of a piece, and that's okay because it is in the front. So I don't know if there's like a bunch of ways that you can do this, but so this is not the way that Ronnie did hers, okay? Ronnie, like she like threaded her lock, and then she put the bead through. But I found it to be easier for me. This is when I did mine. So I tried it her way, and then I said, okay, well, let me try my way, right? Because I feel like, like just to see. So I found it easier. Now the look, okay, so let me just say this. The look will be a little different because like, so this one is kind of on the end, but like not really. I have like this one sits like right here on the side. You know what I mean? Most like most, like I don't say most, but some lock sprinkles sit on the bottom. But again, it just really all depends on how you what's the word, how you thread it. So now when she, oh, first I need to wrap these, but when she did hers, first let's just start here. So you saw me squeezing it. You want to make sure that it's like what's the word, it's hollow, what I'm looking for, on the bottom, because I'm gonna come to this side. Okay, so this one I was worried, I think it looks like a Christmas tree, but I was like, well, I want to try something different. So you see how down here, like it's not even, that's just what this piece is like. And then there's like another one up here somewhere that's the same way, but this this one is a good one. Okay, and typically like this one, I honestly I don't believe this one was even done at all. And again, I did this one because I just wanted to do something different. But yeah, so this one I wouldn't even bother with because that's softer. And I mean, like, I wouldn't even travel up my lock at all. Okay, so I have at least like 3 locks that's like this for sure. But sorry guys, but this one is pretty good. Okay, so I put my bead on here because this is easiest for me. Okay, put my bead on and then I hold on to it tight. All right, where did it go? Okay, so what I then did, so you see how I have mine hooks down, how I hook mine downward. This is another thread, another needle, I'm sorry, another needle as well. This is like the kind of needle you use for when you're sewing hair. Okay, you can use like a regular needle, like the sew and close needles, or like the straight needles, but this actually, these beads can fit on this actual hook. So when I did this one, like it can fit. So if you wanted to do something like that, it can fit on this. Okay, but okay, I'm sorry, let's get back to the point. So you angle it like in a downward position. Make sure that's going to come out like towards the end. It's a little tough. Alright, so this lock will come out, and you split it. You split your thread. I just had to split. You guys, it's really hard to do this on camera. And I'm using my viewfinder as like my actual mirror. So, you split your thread, right? And then you just get this nice little tug and it pulls off through. So, this is when, where'd my bead go? It just hit the floor. Okay. So, y'all, what is happening? Okay. So now you see how these are like this. So what happened is, so you started at the top and then you came out on the bottom. Okay. So to get your, so this is like if you really, really, really want your beads to be more so focused on the bottom. Now this is when I wish I had a longer piece, or what I do is I'll put it long enough so I can actually see it. Okay, so it's on there, and now you see how this is like more so at the bottom. All right, and you take it and you tie it like a shoe, if I can get it tied. Oh my gosh, this is the hard part, is really like trying to get this thing. All right, I got it tied. I'm gonna pull it. So now you see it's more on the bottom than it is on the side. Okay, and I do it twice since this thread is a little heavier than my other thread, but you still don't want to pull it too tight or it will like snap. So that is that. And then when you cut it, I cut it as close to the knot as I can, but I mean, like if my little legs stick out, that's cool. So those are 2 different ways how you can do them. One ends up like on the bottom, the other one ends up on the side / bottom. It just really all depends on when you thread it, like which one is being pulled through. So you can do them both ways, and both of them will still end up on the bottom. But again, it's just the way how I do it. When I pull, when I beat it, like when I hook, when I beat it, and then when I do the needle, I don't know which like, because I'm beating it right prior to, when I pull it, it's going to automatically be on the side since it's not like being down the bottom. So again, I don't mind either way. Like, it works for me. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I have so far. I have to stop because I have to start dinner. This is very time consuming, but I have this section and then I have a lot left. Then I have this section to do, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I have. Oh, my chair spins. I forgot I have a salon chair. Yeah. Hopefully I will be in the shot. I'm just going to turn my body like this. So this is what I have. This is how they are looking. I love them. I love the color. My head is so itchy. I love the color. This video is actually a little longer than I intended it to be, but whatever. Yeah. So that is how I take down and reinstall my lock sprinkles. Hopefully the installation of them was like a good example. Trust me, they're time consuming. I don't care how many times you've done them, they are time consuming. And yeah, so I'll just say thanks for watching. Don't forget to, so if you're like not subscribed, you can't turn on your notification bell, so you really want to know if I posted anything. But if you are subscribed and you turn on your bell, then you will know when I post my my lock detox video. Yeah. All right, I will see you guys in that video.